This is a Lego Stuntz figure, and this is a Lego Stuntz motorcycle garage. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this MOC I created for the Lego Stuntz theme motorcycles. This was a collaborative build, so I built one half and my brother built the other. So if you have never seen this theme before, these are Lego figures that come in tiny little boxes, and they come with motorcycles. These motorcycles actually have the ability to sort of wind up and they can drive by themselves. Each of these figures comes with their own hairpiece as well as a helmet for their motorcycle. They each are very stylized and match their motorcycle. I built these Lego garages in 3 modular sections so that it would be easier to move. There are 2 parts that are the garages themselves, and then also this base. This is the leftmost garage, which is the one that I built. You can see you can remove the roof for easier access to the interior. On the inside, we have a couple of details. We've got this tiny sign that actually came from a Nexo Knight set. This little spot for all of the figure's tools. And then also this cardboard box with some energy drinks beside it. On the right here, we've got more spots for tools, which is actually just some pieces slipped in. They're not actually attached. We've got some decorative wall art, as well as a spot for the figure to put her helmet. In order for the roof to be attached, we have a couple of smooth tiles and then jumper plates. This allows the roof to be attached while still easy to remove. You can see I built in some small roof details here, like some air ventilation, and then also this ladder that allows for roof access. I also realized when recording that this roof element kind of looks like a Death Star turbo laser. On the right side, this motorcycle actually physically attaches to the floor using this piece, but on the left side, the motorcycle just kind of slips into the section I made there. Now let's move on to the right garage. So this is the garage that my brother built, and you can see on the back that there is some wall art. It uses a variety of pieces in the colors of the cyclist. And on the left here, he has some shelves for various little details. On the right section, there's a little table with foodstuffs on it, as well as a charger in the back for the motorbike. Each of these sections have a built-in motorbike charger. The charger just attaches to one of the back studs on the motorbike. Each of these bikes also attach to the floor with the anti-stud on the bottom. As you can see, in both garages there are designated spots for the bikers' helmets. Just like the other garage that you saw earlier, this one also has a tile technique, as well as jumper plates. This garage's roof is actually jam-packed with detail and random little elements used to simulate ventilation and such. and putting all these elements back together, that just about wraps up the video. Or does it? I actually ended up adding in lights to this build. Although the left garage's lights are a bit dim, you get the sense of what it looks like with the lights in. Each of these builds contains a battery box in the roof, and the lights are strung through the roof so that it is still modular. The leftmost garage has a small hatch to access the battery box. Lights are then worked through this small section and then strung down into the roof. On the right section, there is no hatch for access, but you can access the battery box from behind and easily flick the switch to turn the lights on or off. From there, the wires run down into the build. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to subscribe for more content.